Hey YouTube, it's your girl Eshabee back again with another one. I'm gonna get right into it. I'm gonna chat about, who lives life. Yeah, she um said that she's gonna be posting another video tomorrow about the baby. She's gonna answer a lot of more questions because people wanna ask her have a lot of questions to ask about the baby, so she's gonna be addressing that tomorrow. And they also asked her, they want to know if she's thinking about having any more kids. She said um maybe she um maybe she might have more. She don't really know, but it's in consideration. She's considering it, but we have to stay tuned tomorrow. She's going to talk about that too. But what I want to know is, why is these chicks obsessed with having all these babies by these crazy dusty dudes? I just don't understand that. But my Jazzy life, they want more kids. So, like I said, I don't know why they obsessed with having more babies. Liv, she just had one. Jazzy just had one. But they considering to have more. Okay. Liv, she just Liv, she lost custody of her three. Now she has this one there with her. And she's considering more. Sounds very expensive to me to be popping out these babies and you don't have the support system to help you financially. But yeah, she's gonna talk about that more tomorrow when she post the when she post the video or come on and do her live. But let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Make sure your notification bell is on so you'll know when I post new videos. And let me know in the comments what y'all think about that. But yeah, I just wanted to I just want to also say congratulations again to Liv for having her baby boy. But yeah, why they so obsessed with having more babies in the especially in the situation with the situations that they are in. But let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. And also, I forgot to mention. Also, I want to know why Mama Stella wasn't in the labor and delivery room with her. It was just her sister and the child's father. What happened to Mama Stella? Why she didn't? Why she wasn't in? Why she wasn't with her as well? But and she also Liv also mentioned Jazzy. She sees she already saw the baby numerous of times, so I guess she only like she said, she's not showing it. She's not gonna show him. Jazzy's the only one who saw the baby so far. So let me know what y'all think about Liv and my Jazzy life wanting more kids. By these dusty men that they be getting. Unless Liv plan on having, Liv plan on having one by the invisible man / mystery man that she claims she has. But we should see what she get herself into next. But I'm gonna keep it short. I'm not gonna be on here rambling too long. I just wanted to say that. But y'all hit me up and let me know what y'all think. Peace. I'm out. Catch you on the next one.